I just fell. Huh. Alright, trying to go find the owner. Do you have your cell phone? Yeah? I'm guessing none of you guys went in the bathroom in the past 5 minutes? Okay. I just found somebody's cell phone in there.
That would usually be something I would do.
Okay, so all together is 2765.
Excuse me?
Sorry?
Have you had anybody asking for a cell phone?
Cell phone?
Yeah.
There is no cell phone.
No?
No.
Are you waiting for something, ma'am?
God damn it. What the fuck do I do with this now? Huh. God damn it. Trying to be a good guy. What up, man? You should probably, if you're synced to this, hopefully you are, because I can't open your phone. But if you're not, then I don't know, I guess I'm making this video for no point. Anyways, I found your phone in the bathroom at the subway there, so hopefully you're synced to the camera at home, and you phone the phone. I'll try to keep it charged, and I'll give you a call and you can come pick it up or whatever. Alright, pretty nice phone. I'm ashamed I'm actually trying to do the good thing, so you should come and get it. Because I kind of like it. Oh my god, now I sound like I'm stealing. Anyways, come get your phone. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so we found the owner of the phone. What up, man?
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I thought someone has stolen the phone, but she asked that you had asked what is if someone has left the phone inside. So I
Yeah.
thought this phone was still ringing. So I thought someone has not stolen it.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. What can I
no
get for
problem, man.
you? You want free sub?
Free sub?
Yeah.
Sure, man.
That was yours? Yes. Sorry, actually we lost his phone, so we were literally running here and there. Oh, no. So we completely forget about that. No problem. Sorry, you can have a seat. Sorry about that.
You can have a seat. Oh, wow. Yeah.